Hey guys, this is Lorena and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing unboxing video. I have a package right here from Shimmer and Confetti. Shimmer and Confetti, guys, is a balloon company based in Canada. So they contacted me to do a collaboration. So here's the package. So I will be doing unboxing video to find out what's in this box. So Shimmer and Confetti, guys, is a balloon company based in Canada, and they've seen one of my videos here on YouTube. That video is the unicorn birthday setup. So I will insert that video here para malaman nyo what's that unicorn setup that I did. So nakita nila yung video na yon and they want to do a collaboration with me. So Shimmer and Confetti, guys, they have lots of varieties of mga balloon decoration, any decoration, baby shower, party theme, special occasion, balloon decoration, and yeah, marami silang mga designs sa kanilang website. And also, guys, you can check their Instagram, or I will insert mga decorations nila here. Yes, go down. Yeah. Ang nice, diba? So, yes, guys. So, that's their balloon designs on their Instagram page. So, I'll put their Instagram page in the description box. Also, their website. Yung kanilang shipping is sobrang bilis lang. So, imagine, nasa Canada sila, nasa Australia ako, and this box arrived within like a week. So, kahit meron tayong pandemic ngayon, the shipment is really fast. So, I didn't really expect na darating tong package na to within this week. And nag-unbox na ako dahil meron tayong deadlines. So, kailangan natin gawin ito. So, here's the box. Medyo malaki siya. I have an idea what's inside of this box, but I don't have any idea what the color and all. Meron ako idea, kunti lang, but we'll find out while opening this box. So, balloon decoration sa ngayon is very on trend. So, kaya very famous ang mga balloon decoration ngayon. The balloon decoration depends on your design na maging look beautiful. So, it will look beautiful kung merong mga minis and giants and metallic or chrome balloon. Yes. So, yes, guys, please follow or check Shimmer and Confetti on Instagram. You can see all their designs on Instagram. Oh, look! They sent me 3 kits. But I will show you later kung ano yung mga kits na yun. Look! Wow! So, here's inside the box. Ang cute! So, Shimmer and Confetti, guys, sent me 3 of their designs. So, we'll find out kung ano yon. But, look at the box. So, I got 3 in this package. And look at this. It's cute! What? I thought when they send the package, it's just on the normal like plastic kind of packaging, but this one, wow, I'm impressed. So it says here sa packaging, it says here, tell us all about your party. We are on Instagram at Shimmer and Confetti. Nice. So this box right here, you can also do like a gift, as a gift, because meron ditong from and to, so you can easy to set up, fun family activity, premium quality balloons. As you can tell, these balloons ay mukhang mamahalin or good quality. Sa packaging pa lang ha, I have no idea the quality of their balloons yet. I only based on the photo that I've seen on the Instagram feed. Yeah, so I got 3 in here. Same yung kanyang mga size. This one, na-open na siya. So, ibaba na natin itong malaking box. So, we'll open one of the box. And meron silang code here para i-scan mo na lang. And it is scan below for access to pro tips and instruction on how to set up your balloon garland, and may also visit their website here. So you just scan this one and pupunta ka na doon sa website nila for tutorials how to set up your balloon garland. Let's open this cute box. So when you open, it's like I'm opening a makeup. Oh, look at this. Shimmer and Confetti. Wow, mayroong pa ganito talaga. Mostly mga unboxing on makeup, mayroong mga pa-card sila. So also now on balloons, decoration. Wow, I like the color of this envelope. So when you open the card or the envelope, and look at that one, that's really cute. Looks like socially naman ito. Alright, it says here we care about your party. If you need any help, write or call us. Info at shimmerconfetti.com. May pa-card si Shimmer and Confetti. Oh, wow. Ang cute. Look. Ang cute, diba? What is this? That's really cute. It says a thank you card. Thank you. We are at Shimmer and Confetti. Appreciate your order and look forward to seeing you again at our shop. Please remember to show your beautiful what's this? Custom. I can't read. Please remember to show your beautiful costume with us on Instagram at Shimmer and Confetti. Susan at Shimmer and Confetti. Alright. Si Susan talaga. I think she is the owner of this company. Sis here, Susan at Shimmer and Confetti. Siya talaga yung kumontak sa akin sa Instagram at siya yung nakita sa work ko sa aking unicorn birthday syrup here sa YouTube, and kinontak niya ako sa Instagram if I want to do collaboration with them. Hi, Susan. Thank you, Susan, for this, and it's so sweet and cute. And here's another paper here. Oh, what's this? So, mayroon pa ano dyan? Instruction. Oh, okay. So, mga balloon decoration now is getting trendy and very on trend on these days. So, very on trend talaga sila ngayon. They're everywhere. So yung mga designs ngayon like flowers or parang outdated sila at this time. So, balloon talaga ngayon is very on trend. I tell you guys, it's on trend. Kaya, if you want a party decoration, why not go for balloon decoration? They're easy to set up. They're very easy to set up and less time to do it compared dun sa mga making flowers. Yung mga yun, it will really take your time, the preparation. But this one, nandito na. So, by the way guys, this video is just an unboxing video. So, the next video up, I will do the setup of the balloon garlands. So, I will do different setup video for each of these boxes. But the balloon kit that they sent me is the unicorn. So, I'll show you one of the box, guys. And then, yeah, the video will be up next. Yep. So, I don't know what's this kit. We'll find out. Oh, okay. So, this box is the unicorn box. On my next video, I will tell you guys how many balloons in this cute box. So, this is the unicorn box. And then, this box right here, I think... Oh! So, kumpleto na talaga sila. Merong fishing line and mga tassel, glue dots. I think this one is the Little Mermaid kit. So, this kit right here is the Little Mermaid. Again, the video will be up next. And this one right here, so I asked Susan if she can send me, she'll send me 2 theme balloon decoration like unicorn and the mermaid. And then I'm the one na lang to choose kung ano yung gusto kong fin ng mermaid. And yeah, sa kit kasi nila maraming mga colors din na you can choose from. Let's say you want silver fin sa mermaid, or gold, or purple, pink. But I think I got the silver pin. And also they have lots of ano guys, mga special occasion, balloon decoration. So depende talaga kung ano yung gusto mo. Ma-amaze ka sa mga designs na meron sila on their Instagram. So and also they sent me special occasion balloon decoration. And I think it's for female. They have male or boy or girl kind of decoration. Anything on their website, you can just, you know, choose your design. And also, I think they can also customize for your balloon decoration. And also, guys, the sizes of the balloon depends on your needs. So you can choose from 5 feet, 10 feet, and then 16 feet. So I think this package right here, they sent me mga, ito lagi mga bongga, and 16 feet I believe. So here's the third box. So on the setup video guys, I will tell you what's inside of each boxes, because this video is just the unboxing one. I will tell you on my next video how many balloons in one pack. So we're done with this unboxing. I already planned what the first video that I'm going to put up. The first one is the unicorn. The second one is the mermaid, because as you can see behind me, the backdrop is already ready to go. And yeah, so but the mermaid one, I need to put a little bit of something on the backdrop. So on the mermaid, this is not the backdrop that I'm going to use. So yes, so watch out for the setup guys. So by the way guys, I have discount code. I will link it in the description box if you're planning a party and you want to, you know, save a little bit of the money and for your balloon decoration. So on my next video guys, I will tell you the quality and how many balloons in each kit. So yes, so alright guys, that's it for this video. Please follow Shimmer and Confetti on Instagram. I'll put it or link it in the description box. And if you wanna, you know, you wanna go there and browse their designs. Yeah, so thank you Shimmer and Confetti, thank you Susan for this cute packages. Ang cute nila. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And also guys, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit the bell notification button so that you will be notified every time I have new uploads. It's either a beauty related video or a balloon decoration, party setup, DIY video. Yes. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys. So up next, I will be doing the unicorn balloon garland. with same outfit and same aura. Yes.